Activity 2, line analysis, measures the intensity across a line region of interest. To perform the line analysis, we are going to go into the line analysis folder and open up the GAMS green, GAMS red and GAMS TIFF images. So drag and drop all three. So in this example we have a malaria parasite with a filament that runs from one tip all the way down to the end. What we want to do is analyze the intensities running along this filament. So in this case we're going to use the line tool, and if we right click we're going to use the segmented line tool. I'm going to do this on the merge because it's a bit easy to do this across two channels. So left click, drag and click as you go as you're drawing along that filament. I'm going fairly quickly, but when you would do the analysis obviously would go fairly slowly. Maybe you could zoom in to give you a little bit more resolution on what you're trying to do. And then when you're at the end, just double click. Okay, so now we've drawn our filament. What we want to do is apply that to the green and red channels over here. So if you remember, we're going to edit, selection, restore selection, Control-Shift-E, and that's restored it onto here. We can click on the red channel, edit, selection, restore selection. Again, Control-Shift-E, you don't need to use the drop downs, you can use the shortcut. Once you're happy that you've got your line, you then want to plot that. So to do that, we're going to go to Analyze, Plot Profile, which is Control-K or Command-K on a Mac. So this gives us our line intensity along that line that we've drawn. It also gives us a little table here of X is distance in pixels in this case, and Y is our intensity on the 8-bit scale. If we want to, we can go in and save that out as a CSV file. So we can do that for both the green and also the red. And we can see that we get very different profiles in the green channel versus the red channel. There are a few optional items if you want to go a little bit deeper in activity 2. So for example, you can plot this line and draw it as an image, as a straight line. We can change the width of the line that we're doing the analysis over. So at the moment we're drawing this with a line width of 1 pixel. If we were to increase this line width, then that might average out some of these jumpy areas within the graph and give us a little bit more smooth data. Feel free to go through the optional items if you want to.